This video illustrates how to produce an online membership directory using Excel and Hazine. The Excel spreadsheet is saved as a continuous PDF document and then converted to an online flipbook. The PDF dimensions are set as an A5. The A5 format creates perfectly sized text on a mobile device. The Excel spreadsheet is confined to the A5 size constraints. The orientation is portrait at 100%. The margins are set at top, left, and bottom ½ an inch, right margin ¼ an inch. No header or footer, and grid lines are turned off. The directory portion of the spreadsheet has 3 columns with 2 extra columns that are used to sort the data only. The sort columns are not part of the final PDF directory. The column widths are 10, 22, and 22. Row height is 55. The photos are cropped to a square. Let's open Photoshop and illustrate the process, or crop using another graphics program. The dimensions are set to a 1:1 ratio of 250 by 250 pixels. Center the face in the square. To provide a visual separation between photos in the directory, add a 30-pixel white stroke to the photo. Export as a JPEG under the member's first name. The cropped photo will completely fill the spreadsheet cell if inserted as Place in Cell. The cell is a little wider than tall to provide a little white space to the right of the picture. Select the cell for the photo. Choose Insert, Photo, Place in Cell. Find the cropped photo on the hard drive. Select and insert. The photo is placed in the cell, so it will stay in place when the row is sorted. The directory information within the cell is left aligned and centered vertically. Double-click within the cell to edit. To advance to a new line within the cell, hold down the Option button and hit the Enter key. If the email address is too long and wraps, reduce the font size of the email address so it fits within the cell. The first row is dedicated to the cover page. The row height is set to 409, which is the maximum allowed in Excel. The 3 columns are converted to 1 column using the Merge and Center Across feature. The resulting large cell is centered both vertically and horizontally. Insert the logo as Place over Cells so it can be resized and aligned visually. Double-click to edit within the cell. Add the title of the document and the As Of date. The graphic will temporarily disappear while editing. It looks like there's too much space between lines. Double-click again to edit. Now let's set the print area so we can see how the spacing and page breaks will look. Click and drag down to select only the 3 directory columns. Click Print Area, set Print Area. Click View Page Break Preview. It appears the title page is set to include 2 rows of membership data. Let's move the break line up above the membership data rows. As a final visual check, let's run a print preview to make sure everything looks good. Save as a PDF. Save Excel spreadsheet. Be sure to watch the next video, Create Online Flipbook with Hazine.